Hey guys, this is Mixcraft Pro Studio 6 boxed version, and it looks pretty neat. I'm going to open it today. Yep, it looks pretty awesome. I mean, it looks like it's already open, but it's not. This is just a bonus stuff, and you see a list of features listed here. Yep, yeah, it looks pretty neat, and yeah, I'm gonna open it today. Yep, looks amazing. And here we got the disc, we have the manual, and here is a disc. Pretty much, it looks fantastic. And well, I already installed this in my computer using the download link. I used the download version, and yep, I already did that. I know I got sent the code when I purchased it. I received the code in my email instantly, so I don't actually need this disc that much anymore. But I have the code at the back of this package. So at the back of this little package here, so I can use the code anytime. I also have it in my email and everything, so yep, it's pretty much awesome and nice. So that's pretty much all I wanted to show you today, and I will talk to you next time, and I promise I will make videos more often.